Welcome back, and time for a Wreck My Ride special with celebrities.
Yeah. Well, celebrities, sort of. The crazy stunt crew, Dirty Sanchez, wants to come on the show to promote their new movie, but we thought it was a better idea to get them to destroy a car for us.
Yeah. Now, a man in a pub once told me that a Citroen Xantia was quite resistant to bumps and scrapes and things like that. So we thought we'd get the Dirty Sanchez boys to put that to a test and see if they could wreck it.
And according to the producers, they swear a lot.
A lot? How much is a lot?
Well, maybe, I don't know, 10 bleeps in this item.
10 bleeps?
Yeah. What do you reckon?
I'm going for 20 bleeps.
20?
Bleeps. Let's find out.
Yeah.
We here to promote the new Dirty Sanchez film.
It's full of stuff which your mother shouldn't be really watching. It's full of a lot of fun stuff. Full of a lot of messing around.
Yeah, great. Short man, short life.
And full of a lot of messing with him when he's sleeping.
Troy goes out, he's good out.
I mean, smash this car up. Next stop, the Liberty Stadium in Swansea. We'll get a good bit of money for this. We're Dirty Sanchez. This has been Wreck My Ride. Good night.